Hi, this is Craig at Freedom Hypnosis, and this is a video just to address a common question which people may have when considering hypnosis as an option for them. And that question is, will hypnosis work for me? Now, there are several parts to the answer for this, but let me begin and say that a lot of that depends on the individual. Are you ready to move forward with your life to overcome the difficulty, or ready to give up? That's a key part of it. So that's mindset, but also let's talk about belief. Belief really is, you could say, a fact to the subconscious part of the mind, which is the most powerful part of the mind. So if we really believe that nothing will work for us or hypnosis won't work for me, if we really believe that, then it's less likely that we'll have a successful outcome unless that mindset shifts. Why? Because then the mind is going to seek to prove its belief true, because the mind is always seeking to prove its beliefs true. Sure, beliefs can change, but if we believe that something isn't going to work, or we can't be helped, or it's going to be difficult, or it's going to be a challenge, or it's going to take a long time, then you may find that that belief gets proven true. However, if we're open-minded and we're really willing to move forward and we're optimistic, it makes it a lot more likely that it's going to be successful for us, and faster at that. Now, another component of this is, what is the goal of the hypnosis? If you've broken a bone, or if you need a heart bypass or something like that, then hypnosis is not really appropriate for that. But hypnosis is appropriate for changing our thoughts, our beliefs, our emotions. And really that is a very large component of our health, our happiness, our well-being, because you may have heard the expression that every cell in your body is listening to every thought we think. Especially the limbic system is responding to every single thought that we think. Notice how when you think about something from the past that is perhaps very unpleasant for you, notice how you may be able to feel those feelings in your body, even though that event, that thing, that situation isn't here now. In the same way that if we think about something in the future that perhaps may never happen, but for sure isn't happening now, that when we just think about that thing, that we can feel perhaps some of those feelings now. So the body is responding in real time to the thoughts that we think. So through hypnosis, we try and work through the thoughts that we're thinking, changing beliefs, changing our feelings, changing our behaviors. Now, another component of this about will hypnosis work for me is your comfort with the hypnotist. So I would recommend calling and talking to and seeing what information you can find, perhaps videos, the website, really just getting a feel for the hypnotist. And don't be afraid to call around several different people, have a conversation and see what you think. So another element of this too, though, that's very important for me to mention is client engagement. So if hypnosis is something that you're considering, what I would say is, are you willing to engage in the process? Someone may go for sessions and adopt a wait and see attitude, which I'll wait and see what the hypnotist is going to do to me or for me. But I would recommend an approach of really engaging with the hypnotist, really being open-minded and sharing. And really that hypnosis really at its most powerful and most effective is a collaborative process. So I hope this has been useful for you. I also have another longer video that explains, it's a whiteboard video that explains how hypnosis works with the mind, and also a video about subconscious versus conscious mind, which you may want to check out too on my channel. But my name is Craig Mackay, this is Freedom Hypnosis, and if you have any questions, pop them below and feel free to subscribe if this video has been useful to you. Thank you.